Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the commands that appear in the Editing button group on the Home tab of the ribbon to perform several commands that can help you edit Word documents. You can use the functions in this section to quickly find and replace document content. This can be very useful for quickly revising standard documents that need minor, repetitive text changes. To perform a basic search for text in your document, click the Find button in the Editing button group on the Home tab of the ribbon to open the navigation pane at the left side of the document window and show the Search Document search box at the top of the pane. Then type the word or phrase for which to search within your document into the search box. Word automatically finds and highlights the text you enter within the document. It also displays the matching result locations in the results pane below the search box. You can click any result shown in the pane to jump to that selected document location. When finished, you can click the small X button at the right end of the search box to clear your search results. You can also search for text within your document and then replace the text with another text entry you choose. To do this, simply click the Replace button in the Editing button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Doing this then opens the Find and Replace dialog box and displays the Replace tab. This tab lets you replace the text you find with other text you enter. To do this, first enter the text to find into the Find What text box. Then enter the text with which to replace the found text into the Replace With text box. Then click the Find Next button to move to the next occurrence of the text found in the document. The text appears selected. To then replace it with the text you entered, click the Replace button. You can then continue to click the Find Next button and the Replace button to move through the document replacing the text. Note that you could also simply click the Replace All button to replace all instances of the found text with the replacement text you entered throughout the document at once if desired. To perform an advanced find of information in your document, note that you can also click the Find tab within the Find and Replace dialog box. Alternatively, you could also access this tab by simply clicking the drop-down arrow that appears to the right of the Find button within the Editing button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select the Advanced Find command from this button's drop-down menu. If you need more specialized search options for either the Find or Replace tabs within this dialog box, then click the More button at the bottom of either tab to display more advanced search options at the bottom of the dialog box. You can check any of the options shown using the checkboxes in the Search Options section to enable or disable those parameters when performing your search. To find items that have specific formatting applied, click the Format drop-down and choose an option from the list. A dialog box specific to the type of formatting you chose then opens. You can choose the options for which to search and then click the OK button. The format you chose then appears below the Find What text box. Any search you enact will include the specific formatting options you chose as well as the search terms. You can click the No Formatting button to remove any applied formatting from the search. You can click the Special drop-down to choose a special character for which to search in the document. Searching for a special character works the same as a text search. After choosing the special character for which to search, then click the Find Next button to move to the next instance of that character in your document. You can click the Less button to collapse the display of these extra options if desired. The last tab in the Find and Replace dialog box is the Go To tab. You can also access this tab by clicking the drop-down arrow that appears to the right of the Find button in the Editing button group on the Home tab in the ribbon. Then select the Go To command from the button's drop-down menu. You can use this tab within the dialog box to quickly move through the document. In the Go to What list, select the object by which to move through the document. Then enter a search reference to the object to which to move into the adjacent field. The specific directions for each selected type of object from the Go to What list appear next to the text box to help you. For example, if you select Bookmark, an Enter Bookmark Name drop-down appears containing all the bookmarks you have created for your document. Depending on the object type you select, you can then click either the Go To, Previous, or Next buttons to browse through the document by the selected object using the increments that you entered. When finished using the Find and Replace dialog box, click the Close or Cancel button or the X in the upper right corner to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.